Hello guys, welcome to this new activity, and in today's activity we are going to see how you can build a simple smoke detector system which detects the presence of smoke at an early stage. To be able to demonstrate how you can build this system, we are going to use the trainer kit you are seeing here. For those of you who are not familiar with this trainer kit, it was developed by NyerekaTech Company to help you learn from basic electronics to advanced embedded system. As you can see, this kit contains different functional sections which allows you to select the part you need for each experiment or project you intended to do. As I said, we are going to build a system which can detect the smoke. The system we are about to implement does not produce an alert system in the form of sound. So in the next experiment, we are going to add an alerting section, but at the moment you will be able to see the detection of the smoke using serial monitor from the Arduino IDE, because this is another way of showing that this system is capable of detecting the presence of the smoke. So we are going to go through all the steps to implement this project. As this trainer kit has different sections, the first thing to do is to identify sections that we are going to use. The first section you are going to use is the section where Arduino microcontroller is located from the board. You need also to identify the pins of the microcontroller. You also have to identify the gas sensor section from the board. The sensor we are going to use is MQ2 gas sensor along its pins. So once all the pins to be used are identified from the board, it's time now to establish connection between the microcontroller and the sensor. And to ensure proper connection, we need to refer to this diagram provided. After completing all connections, then the next step is to connect a USB cable from the trainer kit to the computer to power the trainer kit, and this is going to allow you to upload the program to the Arduino microcontroller. Before uploading the code, it's a good idea to verify for errors that may be present in the code. You do this by clicking the verify button here in the Arduino IDE, and if the code compiles without errors, you click upload to send the program to the Arduino board using USB cable. After the board is powered and the program uploaded into the Arduino microcontroller, it's time to observe the result. So click on the serial monitor icon to open it, as all the results and changes are going to be displayed here. When you open the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE, the serial monitor will display in real time readings of the smoke sensor and the messages indicating the presence or absence of smoke. To observe the change, you bring a source of smoke closer to the smoke detector and see that when the threshold is exceeded, you are going to see the message changing from the serial monitor. So if the sensor detects minimal gas presence, the value will be lower. If the gas or smoke nearby and the message displayed will be about the presence of the smoke, then when you move the source of the smoke away from the sensor, you are also going to see the change, because that value is going to drop and the message you get is going to tell you that there is no smoke. So this is how, in summary, this system functions. So you have now seen how a microcontroller and a gas sensor can be connected to create a smoke detector. Now, a smoke detector is going to be used where it is needed, especially when we need early warning when it comes to detecting smoke which is around a certain area. So if you want to learn more about this project, you can check the link in the description or visit our website. So that brings us to the end of this activity. Thank you for watching. Thank you and see you next time.